Are you ready to ride over the tide, to go to the top of the pinnacle of your success at the mountain top? If yes, you need to consider about the tide. What happens in the tide? The water from the all over the sea comes and it rises in the high tide. Similarly, high tide is possible in your life also, and your life will be fulfilled with abundance, provided you adopt this tide. So, what is this tide? The first T for the tide is the talent. You must have the talent. And in most of the cases, it is the talent which starts, which initiates any activity, any mission of any ambitions. The first T for the talent. There is no alternate about the talent. This talent may be educational, this talent may be in the form of the skill or in the form of just relationship, connections. All are talent. Your creativity, your innovative way of thinking, all are talent. The first and foremost thing is the talent. Next comes I. I, of course, is inspiration. Because without any inspiration, nothing can happen successfully. You must be inspired. You must be enthusiastic for starting and also continuing any mission, any activities. So, I for inspiration. Next comes D for the discipline. If the talent can start some activity, it is the discipline which can continue and also finish those activity. There are many writers who started writing book, but they are not disciplined. They disconnect in the middle, and their books never finished. So you must have some discipline. T for talent, I for inspiration, and D for the discipline. And next, E for effort. Without effort, nothing can happen. So put your entire energy with inspiration to put the real effort, that sincere effort which can help you to complete some things and also to gain confidence after this completion of the job. So this is about the tide. Now tell me, are you ready to ride over the tide? If yes, definitely ball is under your court and you have to follow it. But remember, there are something other, which is something similarities of this tide. If we add another letter O, within this letter TIDE, add a letter O and you can just make it arrange, you can get to die. Remember, if you do otherwise to die, it will clearly invite your expiry, your death sentence of your mission. So what is this to die? This to die is something which is related to negative aspects of your activity. So first, to die, T for the tired. If you are feeling tired in the activity, nothing can happen. And this tired can invite the tragedy and it will put yourselves in the trouble. Instead of travel, you are inviting the trouble in your life. You cannot continue this progress. And T for toxic also. Be aware of the toxic people. Because toxic people are very much expert in injecting negativity in your body and mind. And with this negativity, nothing can happen. I can give you the guarantee. So that is T for tiredness or toxicity. Next comes O. O for the obscure. Obscure means a hazy, not clear. If your goal is not clear, you cannot look beyond something. Imagine that my glasses is hazy. Can I see further? I cannot see. While driving your car in the rainy season, you need the wiper in the windscreen. And the job of this wiper is to wipe out the water deposited in the windscreen and help you to get your visibility. So don't make your goals or target obscure. So that is T for the toxicity and the tiredness, and O for the obscure. Make it clear. Because if your vision is obscure, in such case it will guarantee you to become obsolete, and it will be just the obituary of your mission, the death of your mission. So that is 2. And what is die? D for the despair. It's the opposite of the inspirations. If you are not inspired, then you are in the despair. Be optimistic. Pessimism cannot help you to go further. And next, I for immaturity. If you are immature, your decisions will not be practical. And with this impractical decision, you should not expect any success. So, I for the immaturity. Avoid the immaturity, all sorts of the immaturity. D for the despair, I for the immaturity. Next comes E for the ego. If I have the ego, it will prevent me to go. So avoid ego for ensuring to go. So don't make it happen to die. Instead, ride over the tide for securing the complete success in your mission, in your achieving goal. Thank you.